Standard 2nd, English, chapter number 10, The Magic Stick. Continue from page number 102 in textbook top. Work in pair. Pupil A, I have a small dog. Pupil B, what does it eat? So they are asking question because you can see that question it is asking that what that small dog is eating. So pupil A, it eats biscuits and cakes. Pupil B, where does it sleep? So they are asking. Now complete the dialogue given below. You can use the sentence given in the box. What does he do? Where does it live? It eats green chilies? No, he is still very small. So pupil A is giving answer that it eats biscuits and cake. Pupil B, where does it sleeps? Pupil A, it sleeps in the kennel. So asking that where it sleeps the dog. So pupil A is telling that it sleeps in the kennel. Now complete the dialogue given below. You can use the sentences given in the box. Here sentences are given that we have to use and we have to fill this given space. Okay. So pupil A is asking, I have a parrot. So pupil B is asking, what does it eat? So how we understand that what it does it eat? So pupil A is giving answer in the next that it live in the garden. It live in the garden, they said. It means what they have question, pupil B has asked question that what does it live? Where does it live? Okay. So we have written here where does it live? Pupil B, what does it eat? So they have asked question that what does it eat? So we will write it eats green chilies. So answer we have written. Now pupil A, I have a baby monkey. Now it comes baby monkey. So pupil B, what does it do? Pupil A, it plays with me. Now pupil A, it eats many bananas. Pupil A means they are asking this type of question. So afterwards pupil A, I have a baby brother. Same dialogue it is there, just they are doing communication with each other. Okay. Here change according to picture. I am telling you answer. Pupil A, I have a baby brother. See, small baby is there. So pupil B, what does he do? Pupil A, he drink milk and sleep all day. Just drinking milk and sleeping all day. Pupil B, does he play with you? Pupil A, no, he is still very small. So not playing. So answer will come no, he is still very small. I hope that you can see this clearly. Now whatever it is important that I am showing you, grammar, present continuous tense. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. My friends and I are play, it is given in the bracket, so we have to add ing. So playing in the park. The watchman tells us that it is getting dark. Here get is there, so we have to add t and ing. So that one G is there, so instead of that we have to write 2T and we have to write ing. As I walk home, I hear someone walking behind me. So after walk we have to add ing. I am scared. Suddenly I hear someone shout. Shout. What will convert? We have to add ing. So shouting. My name. I turn around. It is my uncle. He sees me walking alone and call my name. Instead of walk, we have to write again walking. We have to add ing. Now article a and the. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. So here an old man, because it begins with O, right? This old spelling begins with O. So we have to write a and n. So here it is an I have written. So an old man and his wife live in a small hut near a forest. Why we have written here a and here also a? Because it is a consonant. That small spelling begins with S. S is consonant, so we will write a. Small hut near a forest. So here forest spelling also begins with F, and F is a consonant, so we will write here a. Every day. Now here see, old it is means in the beginning I said that O is there, so it is a vowel, so we will write a and n. But here again old it is coming, so we will not write a and n because old man spelling repeat second time. So when any word repeating second time, then instead of A or N, we have to write the. Okay, so here one time old man came, so first time we have written A and N because O begins with vowel, right? O is vowel, so we have written here A and N. And again when old man it is coming, so I have not used A and N. Why? Because we are not repeating. Whenever it is repeating same spelling, at that time we are writing the. So every day the old man picks up dry sticks and sell them in the village. Again, why I have written here village, the village? Because here we will not use A or N. Okay, so the village will come. Preposition. Use the preposition given in the box to complete the sentences. Across, behind, in front of. So we have to use these words and we have to fill this preposition. Okay. Put the flower dash in the vase. So where they have kept? In the vase. So put the flowers in the vase. The dog is hiding behind the tree. Where the dog is? Behind the tree. So we have to write here behind. The cow is walking. You can see the road is there and between the cow is crossing the road. So across. The cow is walking across the road. The child is sitting. Where the child is sitting? Front of the TV. So in front of the TV. Learn new words. Match correctly. There is an apple on the table. Here it is there. So it is a vowel. So we have to write A and N. Okay. The lion is a big animal. So B is a consonant. So we will use A. The yellow ball is the sun. So when sun it is there, that we have not made. It is a natural. So we will use at that time THE, the sun, the moon, the star, the earth. Okay. So the yellow ball is the sun. Now punctuate. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters and full stops. So here Deep and Veena are going to Delhi. So wherever it is noun. Okay. Noun means person, place, thing or animal. Right. So Deep is a name of boy and Veena is name of girl. So at that place it is a naming word. Noun it is there. So we will do first letter capital of their name, means Deep spelling is there. So we have to write D capital and Veena V capital. So Deep and Veena. So wherever I am doing underline, that you have to do capital letters. Okay. So Deep. So it is a noun. So instead of this D, you have to do capital D and you have to repeat. And Veena. Veena is also naming word. So we will do capital letter as I have written here in the answer. Are going to Delhi. Delhi is the noun. Okay. And it is the name of the city. So this D also we will do in capital. And as you will complete this sentence, so you have to put full stop. Don't forget to put full stop. Okay. Now Jumbo is a baby elephant. So Jumbo is the name. So J we have to write capital. So as I done J capital. E is a baby elephant. So nothing we have to do, and but in the last we have to do punctuate. So I have done full stop. So as I have done, you have to write. Now write. Look at the picture of the hare and the tortoise. Write what is happening in the picture. Clues are given below each picture. Observe the picture and already here answer is given. So we have to find out from here and we have to fill the blanks. So what here the rabbit and tortoise, what doing? The rabbit means hare. Okay. So the hare and the tortoise play or race. All the animals comes to watch the race. The race begins. So hare spelling I have written from here. Tortoise also from here. Race, animals. And if possible, then if it is repeating, then you can use it from the given bracket. So first we have completed. Now the hare runs fast. The tortoise is slow. The hare is ahead. The tortoise is behind. So you can see in the picture, hare is running fast and the tortoise is slow. Backside slow it is coming, right? The hare is ahead. You can see that where it is hare? Ahead. And the tortoise is behind. So ahead means and Behind means back side, right? Now what happened? See, the hare sees the tortoise far behind. So here hare sees that tortoise too far. Okay, behind means far. So the tortoise far, he is slow. Now he is slow. He says, I can sleep for some time. So afterwards the hare sleeps. So we have to write answers from the given brackets. So the hare sees the tortoise far behind. He is slow. He says, I can sleep for some time. The hare sleeps. The tortoise walks slowly and reaches the end. So reaches is spelling here. The hare is still sleeping. Sleeping. The tortoise wins the race. So wins. Now in the last picture, all the animals clap. See here, all the animals are clapping, right? The hare gets up. He sees that the tortoise has won the race. You can see that red track is there and the hare is backside and tortoise won the race. Okay? So here chapter ends.